वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न लेसन विद ईशा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों। टुडे टॉपिक इज़ जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस फॉर किड्स। हाउ मैनी लेग्स डज अ स्पाइडर हैव? D is the right answer. What's the name of a place you go to see lots of animals? D is the right answer. If you freeze water, what do you get? Answer is ice. Which is the biggest continent in the world? C is the right answer. Which is the largest ocean in the world? B is the right answer. Pacific Ocean. Which is the largest animal in the world? B is the right answer. Blue whale. Which is the largest animal on land? C is the right answer. African elephant. Which is the smallest country in the world? A is the right answer. Stay connected with us. Don't forget to subscribe and share.